also calls today to repeal a law that bans local governments from removing monuments.
CBS North Carolina political reporter Bo Minnick joins us live from the state capitol building, digging deeper about the future of this law. Bo?
Sean, state lawmakers passed this law back in 2015, right around the time of another controversy regarding Confederate monuments. Some say this here is a symbol of history. Others say it's a symbol of division. Now both sides are in the middle of a national conversation. Nick Walters is not hiding how he feels about the large Confederate monument on the state capitol grounds. Here's his opinion in 3 words.
I'm just here to maybe welcome folks into downtown and let them know that this Confederate monument might be here, but there are a lot of people that do care.
Confederate monuments across the state are protected from local governments taking them down without the approval of the North Carolina Historical Commission. State lawmakers passed that law in 2015. I met Democratic Representative Greg Meyer from Hillsborough at Silent Sam on UNC's campus. Meyer voted against the law then, and he tells me it has no place now.
They were designed to intimidate people. These were not monuments to uplift our people or tell the best portions of our history or bring us together. These are monuments to divide us.
When I look at them, I think of my 4 great-great-grandfathers that served in the Confederate Army. They were farmers. They didn't own any slaves.
I also spoke with Mark Sweat, a Wake County man who has been active with Civil War reenactments. He supports the law and tells me it offers protection for the monuments that was assumed but was never in writing.
People don't see the Bible all alike. But that doesn't mean we should burn the Bible up and throw it away. We shouldn't destroy these either.
Walters, who held the sign, says the monuments belong in a museum. I also spoke today with Republican State Senator Tommy Tucker from Union County, who sponsored the original bill. He says there is no place for hatred, racism, or bigotry in society. He says this law simply protects history. Live in Raleigh, Bo Minnick, CBS, North Carolina.